Boom shakalaka, symmetrical triangles can break out in either direction for Bitcoin. Some other charts to give us an indication where price may be headed. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including where price is likely headed based on a bunch of very interesting charts. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love. Push that like button. Now today, fear and greed exactly the same as it was yesterday at 64. The overall market up 1.5% again for the second day in a row. Bitcoin at 29,094, Ethereum at 1902, BNB at 326, XRP 46 cents, Cardano 39 cents, Dogecoin 7 cents, Polygon 99 cents, and Solana 22.18. And if you want the top coins today based on AI like ChatGPT, but specifically for crypto, they would be Ren, Anchor Network, Scale, Zilliqa, and Volt Inu. And you can check out token metrics for free. There is a link down in the description. Bitcoin today in this wedge that is set to break out by May 10th. We just found support down there, finding some resistance right here. Well, bound to break out pretty darn soon. As a matter of fact, on a longer time frame, Bitcoin is in this symmetrical triangle pattern. Now, these are patterns of indecision and can break out in either direction. Therefore, one must look at other indicators. Right now, we are seeing a positive money flow on the Chaikin money flow indicator, suggesting we may be something happening similar to 2020, where we had a break up. Bitcoin could just be repeating this fractal from 2021, where we broke, found three-pronged support above this line, found two-pronged resistance, and then broke through to the upside. Looks pretty darn similar. Same exact thing, three-prong support, two-prong resistance, and then break on through. Right now we have the cross and send portion of the 20 and 50 EMA crosses. Generally when this happens, it sends Bitcoin to reach an all-time high. When we have this yellow line crossing above the blue, each time this has happened, also we see a little bit of a bubble on the RSI after this happens. But you can see historically, this has been the moment that has sent Bitcoin to a new all-time high. We also, when you're looking at simple indicators, things like the Madrid ribbon and super trend on the 14-day time frame, this says sell, this says buy. If you simply sell when it says sell and buy when it says buy, you do pretty good. Well, take a look at this. No lines, just two indicators that say all there is to say. The buy indicator just flagged once again. Not only that, but also on the QQE indicator. Whenever a long signal appears on the QQE indicator, Bitcoin went higher afterwards, at least 60%. We can see when there's a long right here, went up at least 60%. Long here, up at least 60%. Well, we just had another long on this one. So all the indicators are saying right now is the time. As a matter of fact, Velvet Maxie, who for a long time has been doing a great job of calling the market. He pretty much called the top up here, and somebody asked him, they said, hey, a lot of bearish charts waiting for your opinion. Well, he says, my opinion is the same it's been since November 2022. Basically, when this buy signal indicated, just keep holding, buy and hold, because we are in that part of the cycle. Now, if we take a look on the monthly stochastic RSI, Bitcoin is not yet in a place where we would consider selling. Consider selling is in this red band that says consider selling. Consider buying is in this green band that says consider buying. But we are headed up from one band to another. There is a lot of room before getting up there. Moreover, note that it can remain in this overbought territory for quite a while before leaving it and actually considering selling. So when in doubt, zoom out, and if it rhymes, it's got to be true. But that being said, not yet sell territory, not yet bear territory. As a matter of fact, this chart here, the SOPR for Bitcoin has been holding above 1, which is above this line right here, since the SVB collapsed back in March. This signifies that the market is now on average realizing profits on on-chain spending. That means people are profitable on-chain spending. This generally aligns with a healthier inflow of demand and more constructive opinion of the asset. If we take a look at times when this had broken above the 1 and rested above there, similarly, these were times in early bull markets. So that means that we are likely in early bull market. As a matter of fact, we already tested the one line at the end of March and expect to test many more times, similar to previous bear markets where the one line is tested to flush out leverage. That's basically what's going to be happening from now until the absolute parabolic bull run. Is leverage is just going to get flushed out, and all of that leverage traded Bitcoin is going to go to the smart people, the whales, and then eventually things will start going up once everybody's lost their house trading leverage. Which brings us to where we are in general. Historically, bear markets have been about 420 days. Smoke them if you got them. Bull markets, though, 1,100 days. We are just in the very beginning of this bull market. So patience is due, because if it rhymes, it's got to be true. So that's all for today's episode. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys there. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.